morning, students. Today we are going to learn about weather and seasons. What is weather? Weather is a day-to-day state of the atmosphere and it is short-term variation in minutes to week. People generally think of weather as a combination of temperature, cloudiness, visibility and wind. And what is season? A season is a part of a year. Many areas of the earth have 4 seasons in a year: summer, winter, spring and autumn. What is spring season? In spring season, the weather usually turns warmer. Trees begin to grow their leaves. When spring has arrived and flowers are blooming everywhere. This is summer season. Summer is a warm season because the days are longer and the sun is high in the sky, giving direct light to the ground. Summer is the hottest season. People wear lighter and cooler clothes in the season due to heat. Students, in summer season, we should wear the cotton clothes. We should drink 3 liters water in a day. We should eat more fruits, especially watermelon. This is autumn season. Season of the year between summer and winter, during which temperature gradually decrease. It is often called fall in the United States because leaves fall from the trees at that time. This is winter season. The winter season is very coldest season of the year. Between autumn and spring season. The name comes from an old Germanic word that means time of water and refers to the rain and snow of winter in middle and high latitudes. In winter season, we should wear the sweater, gloves, mittens and socks. Spring runs from March 1 to May 31. Summer season runs from June 1 to August 31. Fall or autumn season runs from September 1 to November 30. And winter season runs from December 1 to February 38. In the leap year, February 39. Next, monsoon. The season of the southwest monsoon in India and adjacent area that is characterized by very heavy rainfall. Rainfall that is associated with the monsoon. Thank you, students.